In the development of identity, number 7, personal stability and integration, involves finding roles and personal styles inside and outside the classroom that are genuine expressions of oneself. Personal stability and integration allow the student to be more familiar with their self-worth and identity. As a student plans for their future education, they begin to think about what they will have to leave behind. Early on in this process, students question their ability to succeed. Slottberg in 1989 states, and I quote, "Every time an individual changes roles or experiences in a transition, the potential for feeling marginal arises." End quote. This feeling of being marginalized gives the student a sense of not feeling stable in their environment. The student's identity and the development helps them to evaluate themselves and how they are seen by others. Through their course of self-exploration, the students begin to feel irritable, and they have an unhealthy level of self-consciousness when experience the reality of college life. As the student progresses through their first few weeks of college, they may feel a sense of conflict between their personal identity, which separates them from their past experiences, and their transition to college. The students' longing for stability and integration in college sometimes make them question their own identity. The student may perceive their own identity from the labels they wear, a sense of belonging, group conformity, their personal values, their group identification, and their unique experiences. Soon the student has made the decision about how they plan to integrate their work and their personal life balance into college experience. This integration helps support the student's perceived self-identity. Once a student begins to feel confident in who they are, they become comfortable in their surroundings. The student then begins to utilize the resources on campus to support their personal stability inside and outside the classroom. This acceptance will enable the student to accept the challenges in the classroom and identify their personal stability. The capability to do it yourself moves the student from an unstable sense of identity to a better transition of the identity integration. Ultimately, college success is the goal for a student as they continue to find balance, stability, and integration in college.